Since 1984, Diversitech has been in the business of providing engineered solutions for the safe capture of harmful manufacturing pollutants. Our team has the experience and knowledge to develop a solution for even the most challenging of manufacturing environments. Combustible dust has been a serious problem in manufacturing for decades. In recent years, there have been several high-profile accidents in the United States and around the world that have been caused by this phenomenon. Diversitech has engineered a wide range of products to deal with this potentially deadly manufacturing hazard. Downdraft tables have proven to be a highly effective and flexible controlled method for the safe capture of pollutants from manufacturing processes such as grinding, sanding, and polishing. Diversitech's wide range of standard dry and wet downdraft tables can be fully customized to meet your specific application and needs. Diversitech has several models of both wet and dry central dust collection systems. Our in-house engineering allows us to offer turnkey packages that include full ductwork and installation, ensuring you have the right equipment the first time. Diversitech-air.com